Okay, so this time I'm gonna show you on how to check if two lines are perpendicular lines. So without any delay here, let me show you first the concept. So it says here, if two non-vertical lines are perpendicular, then the product of their slopes is -1. So again, when you multiply their slopes, it will give you a -1. Or if the slopes of two lines have a product of -1, so vice versa will tell you then the lines are perpendicular. So that's how it goes. Let's take some examples here. This time I also took this from the book. This time it's going to be number 15. So we have line 1. We have points 0, -2, and 4, -4. We have line 2. We have 4, 1, and 1, -5. Okay, so going back to our formula, don't forget to always remember the formula right here. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So let's start with this one, -4 minus -2 all over 4 minus 0. So since this turns into positive, it becomes -4 plus 2, that's -2 over 4. 4 minus 0 is 4, or -1/2. Okay, so line 2, let's get the slope for this. I would really encourage you to write down the formula because that will not lead you to confusion right there. So we have -5 minus 1 all over 1 minus 4. So this 2 becomes -6 over, we have -3. So that will give us how much? Positive 2. Okay, let me go back to the concept here. It says if two non-vertical lines are perpendicular, then the product of their slopes is -1. So looking at the picture again, we're going to find out if these two lines here are perpendicular. So let's see if the product of the slope are or is -1, I mean. So let's try. -1/2 times 2. How much is that? So when you multiply the numerator, so that's going to be -2 over 2, or -1. So if you notice, we end up with -1, therefore the lines are perpendicular. So number 15, lines are, you can use that symbol for perpendicular because, the product of the slopes is -1. Okay,